That nigga about to got me. Might be a rave. I can't. It's auto. I might hit somebody. That was a rave or something. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lil Credit Union. I just wanted to let you guys know before I roll this video out. I just want to say that I don't think that the R32, I don't know if it was a real race. Like, he gave like a thumbs up or whatever. I don't think it was a real race. I'll let you guys be the judge. But I mean, like, fuck it. Like, it was cool. It was fun. So, you know, I'm still upload it and everything and show you guys and share everything with you. So I just wanted to clarify, like, I honestly don't think it was like a real race. Like, nobody honked. You know, it just took off pretty much. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna roll the video out right now. Thank you guys for you know, giving me support and everything, and I appreciate it. R32 boys. I don't think he wants to run it though. I actually know him. Not like know him, but he be at car meets and shit. I don't think he wants to run it though. You don't want to run it, bro. It's because I got this shit on my head. Bro, that shit sucks so bad. Like, I shouldn't have rolled down the window. Like, I should. Fuck. I want to get it at all, bro. What's good? Let me get the fade, bro. Get a run, bro. I knew it. He didn't want it, so. DE Matt with 2 T's and 32. He doesn't like it. All right. Want it? I'm down. Let me get it, bro. Let me get a run. I'm gonna need like a 50 roll or something, bro. Cause I'm in 4th right there, so. Let me get it. Hey! Let me get a 50. Yeah. didn't honk. I think his car was too loud to hear my honk. My honk sounds like a little bitch honk. But I don't know. I ain't really gonna take the W on that shit, but I guess so. I guess he was trying then if he gave a little fucking. That's dope though. Shouts out to fucking Alex from Racebox. Got my shit right. I think he's going to the meet. I might not be going to the meet. I don't really go to meets like that, so. We'll see though. That shit is clean. Fucking Altima, of course. Altima. This nigga right here is recording, bro. This nigga right here. Bro, look at that nigga right there. I don't think you want it anymore. I'm gonna leave him alone because, like, if I had a GTR, I think that should be annoying. That shit was hard. Tell me why. Yeah, no, the first little pull or whatever, I was in 4th gear. I'm still getting to like know this car with the tune, so yeah, I should have been 3rd, and I knew I should have been in 3rd, but it seems like after 4500 the turbo doesn't really kick in, so that's why I was in 4th to see what was good. But you know, I don't really know if I pulled him. It was whatever. I do want another W, or not a W, but I want another race. It would be dope, but like I'm not gonna like pester him and shit, so I know how it is. But yeah, I'm supposed to, I need E85 actually. I was supposed to get E85, but then I ran into him. So I was like, fuck it, you know, good content, you know? Good content. Hopefully it came out good though, because like I kind of been like off of YouTube. I ain't really been doing nothing, so we'll see what's good though. Throwing your hands up, get out of the fast lane if you aren't going fast enough. way. This car. This car. Come on, Florida. Y'all say y'all be having good drivers. Nigga right here. That nigga about to got me. About to got my shit. I'm in 5th though. They got my shit. Damn. Alright, stop my engine oil temps, 221. Alright, stop. You lucky. Yeah, my temp's way too high. 221, yeah, fuck that. Shit. No, I do not have an oil cooler. I have the Lux. I don't got the Red Sport, so. But I mean, my temps never get that high unless I'm on it. So, I mean, you saw right there with all the driving and everything, I was pretty much on it. So. But yeah, I feel like the R32, that wasn't really a race. I'm gonna hit him up on Instagram, see if I can set something up actually. See if we can actually get a race going or something. Like, you know, where we honk and everything. But yeah, it is what it is. I need some E85 though. Might be a rave. I can't. It's auto. I might hit somebody. It was a rave or something. On there and go left. Damn, I can go straight though. I'm going. I heard just home, but I also hear crickets. Fuck on your bitch while she catch up and lick it. Am in the Impala? Sheesh. And the Impala with it? There's some rave. Nobody got no clothes on out here.